Look at the little cats here. Outside this abandoned building site, it looks like, in Agios Georgios South, in Corfu. Wow, they're so lazy. I can see 5 of them. Oh, and there's a dog come along to get rid of me. It's heard me. Let's go before the dog tries to kill me. Usually I like dogs, but this one, when they come along barking at you straight away, time to get out of there. Especially on an island like this, there's nowhere to run because you're surrounded by water. Okay, right, just a quick one this afternoon. I had a terrible time trying to find somewhere to wash my clothes. One of the issues with travelling for a few weeks at a time with just hand luggage like I do is your clothes get dirty over time, and you can't keep wearing them day after day because then you stink and people don't want to talk to you, they don't want to invite you to try some kumquat or whatever in their bars or houses or wherever you're trying to go. So you have to wash your clothes. Now I made this my one mission for the day. Every day I like to have one thing which I'm going to do, and today it was wash your clothes. Well, I walked all the way down along here, about 2 kilometre strip here. I call it a strip very liberally. Oh, another abandoned building. Yeah, so I was walking along the strip, couldn't find anywhere. I even started asking people, saying, oh, you know, where can I wash some clothes? Had a look on Google Maps. Did a search online, couldn't find anything. The only thing I could find was on the other side of this peninsula of the island, about an hour and 40 minutes walking, was to go there to a laundrette. And I wasn't really up for that. I asked the people where I'm staying, they weren't particularly helpful. I asked the hotel next door if they could wash them for me. Nothing there, so I resigned myself to having to hire a bicycle and head over to this neighbouring community to do my washing. But then when I was on my way to try and rent a bicycle, I just walked past one hotel and the lady had a little leaflet. It was all in Greek, but she told me where to go. Oh wow, there's a little road train. I didn't know that was here. I've been walking around everywhere, spending hours walking around this area. Very spread out village. Maybe I should have looked into using that. Have you ever tried apple krubel? Traditional Greek dessert, I guess. From El Cielo Bar. Heaven. The busiest place in the area is the doctor's surgery, where they're doing PCR and antigen tests. Seems to be a bit of an industry these days. What a shame. And see, lots of places in this area seem to be closed or not very busy at all. And it's meant to be the high season. Drinking ouzo gives you daily sex. Damn it, I mean dyslexia. Okay. Right, the place you're going to want to get to is Star Cars, where you can rent cars on this main road. And then here you turn right if you're coming from the south, or left if you're coming from the north. Basically away from the coast. And I walked past this twice earlier today. I can't believe I missed it twice when I was looking for somewhere to get my laundry done, washed and dried. I must have been walking around with my eyes closed. But yeah, it's down this road. You have to keep going for a little while. Maybe a bit more than 5 minutes. It's a busy road, as you can see. A couple of cyclists and a motorbike. Don't be scared of the local dogs if they start barking at you. They're all confined to their respective owners. It happens a lot in Greece, walking around. You'd be walking along and the dog just starts barking, really angry. And don't get confused by these signs. Look, laundry, wash and dry. No arrows, just carry on along the road. And then you'll get to a second turn off just here. And it's this house here with the little poster on. See, wash and dry laundry. Hello.
Exactly. Now she preparing.
How are you doing?
Ella, έτοιμο.
Ah, there you go. You've got my underpants. Thank you.
Yeah? Ah. How's it going?
Yeah, really well. Very hot today.
Very hot, every day hot.
I had some lunch and then, yeah, just...
Where you live?
I'm staying in, down the other end of Agios Georgios.
Which?
the other side of Agios Georgios.
Ah, Agios Georgios. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
so quite far down near supermarket
Esperanto.
Esperanto.
Yes. I know.
Yeah,
Far away. The other side.
yeah. So I was asking people there where I could find somewhere to wash the clothes, and they had no idea. So I'm glad I found you. Hey, you should put your service on Google or something so people find it more easy.
What?
Or you should put your service on the internet so people can find it.
Ah,
It's a good idea.
yes.
Then more
We
business
have
for
only
you.
some labels, you know. Okay, I understand what you mean.
Yeah. And you, how was your? You were having lunch and now second lunch.
Ah, the afternoon, yes.
Good stuff. How much money do I owe you? How much?
Seven.
Wonderful.
Okay,
There you go. Wonderful. Thank you all very much.
Ευχαριστώ.
It's a great service you do for long-term travellers like me.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Hare Krishna.
Yasu.
Goodbye. There we go. That was easy. Nice. Happy with that. €7 for all the washing that I needed done. Amazing. So yeah. Hopefully, me putting this video on the internet helps him and his wife to get a few more customers and a bit more money. Because you provide that kind of service. Yeah, €7. That's double what I'd pay back in Brussels, and it's probably cheaper here in Greece to wash the clothes. But it's a service, and when you're travelling, I don't like paying all the extra fares for your big bags with Ryanair and EasyJet and all of those companies. And I also prefer travelling light because then you're more free to just put your backpack on your back and off you go. You don't need to worry about big suitcases and stuff. So yeah, top tip, you can wash clothes in other countries, guys. All right, from Agios Georgios, Corfu, the South Agios Georgios. There's two villages called Agios Georgios. It's over and out. Good evening. I'm off to watch the sunset. And here's the hotel, which was so helpful in getting me to find my laundry guy. Blue Sea Hotel. So much more useful than my own lodgings here.